Hello, Carpus. How have you been today? Now you're going to stop talking, are you? Hey? What? What are you about to say? Really? Is that true? Did you go for a walk with Mummy? Did you? You did? Don't bark so loud. Good boy. Yeah, you went for a walk with Mummy. And this weekend did you go down to the farm? Did you go down to the farm? Yeah? Oh, really? Do you love me? Yeah? Really? Is that true? I love you. Oh, yeah. Hello? Hello. Is it Paul? 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 Really? Talk. Carpus. Who's that? Who's it? Someone there? No? Talk. Good boy. Say, I love you. I love you.